Hello! Today I'm making my favorite white chili. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. I'll start by chopping one yellow onion. I'll chop one large chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. I add the onion and the chicken along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil into my large pot. I cook it on medium heat until it turns to a nice golden color. Once the onion and chicken are all cooked, I'll add my 1 can of chicken broth and I scrape all the good bits from the bottom, which give it so much good flavor. I add my 1 can of drained white hominy. And then now I add my 1 can of rinsed and drained cannellini beans. My 2 cans of chopped green chilies. And 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, and lastly 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I stir it all really well. I bring it to a boil and then I turn it to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. I'll turn off the heat and now I add 1/3 cup half and half cream and a cup of sour cream. I'll add 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and give it a good stir. I chop up a whole avocado for my topping. Now it's time to serve up this delicious white chicken chili. I top mine with avocado and more cilantro. This is the perfect white chili recipe, and I hope you give it a try. And for more delicious recipe inspiration, please like and subscribe.